New at 6, the Clermont County dog warden considers one dog dangerous, but another mistake by an officer led to charges against the dog's owner being dropped today.
It's the second time in the last 9 months the judge dismissed a charge against Vanya Harrison. Chief investigative reporter Craig Cheatham examined this case last week. So Craig, what happened this time?
Tanya, the dog warden's office declined to discuss this case, but today in court we learned that an officer misidentified the dog by name on the citation, then gave that citation to the wrong person.
This is State v. Vanya Harrison, 2018.
This court hearing was scheduled to hear evidence that Vanya Harrison's dog, Boss, should be classified as dangerous because he kept running wild, had allegedly attacked Megan Baldwin's dog several times.
I was in hysterics crying. I was so scared.
And had bitten Kevin Murison while he tried to break up one of the dog fights.
At the time, everybody was freaking out.
But today, for the second time in the last 9 months,
I've been presented with an entry of dismissal.
Mrs. Baldwin watched as Harrison's charge of having a dangerous dog was dismissed due to a mistake by the Clermont County dog warden's office.
I can understand that somebody made a mistake. It does happen, but unfortunately, in this situation, it's happened a lot.
Last summer, at the prosecutor's request, Judge Jesse Kramick dismissed a dangerous dog charge against Harrison after the officer failed to appear in court.
We needed to stay more on top of that.
In March, dog warden Curtis Bonhoff admitted his office messed up. Today, the prosecution asked the judge to dismiss a second dangerous dog charge because the warden's citation identified the dog as Bruno instead of Boss, and the officer improperly served the citation by giving it to Harrison's son, not her.
I don't feel like I've done anything wrong. I feel like, I've taken all the necessary steps that I could take.
Vanya Harrison, seen here during an interview several weeks ago, insisted she will fight to keep her dog.
Was my dog wrong because my dog got out? Yes.
Your dog wasn't wrong. You were wrong.
Whatever.
Today, Harrison didn't bother to show up for court.
It's hard. It is. It's disappointing.
After the hearing, this charge was filed a third time against Vanya Harrison. Another hearing will be scheduled to determine if Boss should be classified under state law as dangerous. If that happens, Harrison will be required to pay a fee, microchip him, and will face bigger fines if Boss gets loose again.